Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate practice exam question. So, this one is a great one, and this was a thinker. So, let's take a look at it. A buyer and seller agree to a $12,000 payment outside of the real estate transaction due to inspection issues. The bank will not honor such a large amount. This is A, unenforceable, B, valid, C, void, or D, voidable. So let's talk about this for a second. So it seems like there were some inspection issues, and a buyer and seller have an outside side agreement for a $12,000 payment due to some sort of inspection issues. And it doesn't really go much further into that. There's simply a $12,000 side agreement, side bet on the real estate transaction because the bank will not honor it. So they're saying, hey, is this a valid addendum? Is this a void addendum, voidable or unenforceable? So I'm going to say it's not void because this is not illegal. Okay. There is no illegal purpose here. They could definitely go forward with this if they so desire. Okay. It is not voidable because it doesn't seem like anyone's under duress. It doesn't seem like there's any undue influence. It doesn't seem like anyone is a minor. There's no extraneous circumstances here where I could simply say this would be voidable. So we're now forced with, is this valid or is this unenforceable? So I would say that this one is unenforceable, which means that the contract or the agreement, and in this part, it is an agreement, is said to be valid amongst parties, meaning you could go forward with this. You could totally do this. That's A-OK. No issues, no concerns there whatsoever because there are no illegalities. It is not voidable. Seems all on the up and up. However, because this is an addendum to a real estate contract and the bank and the financing will not cover it, this is something that's going to be unenforceable in a court of law. So this is something that I would say is A, unenforceable, because again, would not be able to be included in the real estate contract because the bank will not honor it. So this is a side agreement because you see how they say that this is outside of the real estate transaction? Okay. So this has nothing to do with the real estate transaction. And because of that, they would say that it is unenforceable, which doesn't mean you can't do it. It simply means that the courts will likely have no impact on this because it does have to do with the real estate transaction and they're doing it outside of that contract. So that is the situation there. Guys, I hope you like this one. If you have questions, concerns, anything, put the comments down below because I'd love to hear it because this one was a really tricky one. And I spoke with several instructors before I answered it. So I say A, unenforceable here. So guys, hope you liked it. Again, hit that like button. Remember to subscribe if you aren't already. And I'm going to see you real soon.